Hello everyone. In this lecture, now we are going to see the image rotations. You know that in our phone we always perform rotations because some of the pics which are shared in the WhatsApp will be horizontal, vertical. How that technique has been implemented is by making use of this rotate function only. Now we are going to read the image. A equals to im read of lion.jpg. We read the image semicolon. And now, here only we are rotating the image. There is no need of converting any kind of image. So now I am directly going to subplot, and here also I am going to use subplot as 2 into 3, 1. Title as original image, nothing but OI I am giving in shortcut. And next what I want to print is the original image A. I am show of A. Copy these three lines, Control C. Yeah. Now for rotating an image, there is a inbuilt function known as im rotate. Now let me take a variable b equals to im rotate. Now give the image which you want to rotate, that is a, with the value 45. Nothing but positive 45 degrees. Now I am going to paste here 232 and let me name it as plus 45. I am displaying here is B. Next, similarly, take another one, C equal to im rotate of select a plotting that is at position 3. Oh, sorry. In rotate function, we need to give rotate value that is minus 45. I am using this time. You can observe the difference. What actually is the difference also I will explain. Why we use plus and why we use minus. But one hint I am going to give, that is regarding clockwise rotation and anti-clockwise rotation. Once the output is obtained, you can only understand whether positive rotates to clockwise or anti-clockwise. This is minus 45 and the variable used is C. Now I am rotating to making use of B. I am rotate function. Now keep the variable name A. You have seen 45 degrees. Now let me keep 90 degrees. Also different values I am going to keep. Subplot. Wait just a second. I will copy paste that one. At position 4 and this is positive 90. Positive 90 and this one is D. Still there are two positions left, right? So I am going to use one for 180, and what happens if we make use of 360 also I am going to explain. I am rotate of A comma 180. 180 will give reverse of the image at position 5. Make use of positive 180. Variable is E. And now comes here is final F image. I mean F variable. We are rotating at 360 degrees. Just try to give those values and see. And once we get the output, I will also keep the value more than 360 and we are going to see whether we will get error or some rotation. Wait, let me paste it. As our maximum position is 6, I have ended with 6, 360 degrees. Now I am going to keep here, save it, with a name rotate. Already the file is existing. Let me replace it. Rotate. Save. Replace file, yes. Execute. Yes. Now what you have noticed? It means that when you rotate the image to positive, it turns anti-clockwise. Don't count as clockwise. Positive indications anti-clockwise and negative indicates the clockwise. You can see here. This image was rotated to upward, nothing but towards the anti-clockwise. Positive indicates. And this 45 again tilted, it became 90. Again, if it tilts, it will become to one more value, and again on double tilt, yeah, here we will get 135, and again on another tilt we will get as 180. 360 degrees is nothing but our original image itself. On 180 we got this one. Again we are going to apply 180, means it will rotate again anti-clockwise and it will come to this stage. Now let me perform one more example. What happens if we give the value more than 360? Means here you can see it as continuously repeated 182 times. I am saying nothing but 45 has repeated 4 times, 45 has repeated 2 times. If I'll give 520, will I get same or not? Let me see. Not 520, 720 the value is. Let me do it. 720 value, 720, 720. Execute, save and execute. Yeah. On positive 720 also I got same. But you may get out whether it is correct or not, or by default it is displaying that image only. So let me give some random value. Let me give 500 only. Once we will try with different values, then only we can understand what actually is happening there. 500. Execute, save and execute. Yes, here you can see this is the positive 500 we obtained. So similarly, this is how the process works. And these are the image rotations which we often use in our mobile photo edit applications. With this, the rotation operations on an image is also completed. Thank you.